Welcome to Viral Whiskers. Here are the funniest cat videos and dog videos on the internet. Do you prefer cats or dogs? Let me know. Seems like this cat loves this song. Bad human. No one enjoys food here except me, said Kitty. Food was in the splash zone. This cat fails to stick the landing. Trying to turn off the bath, gone wrong. This cat has issues finding balance. These next two videos further prove white cat can't jump. This cat's hops are shattering. It's a bird. It's a plane. It's Super Cat. A nice walk that came crashing down. Could have planted his paws better. No, this is an athletic kitty. Help your cat, human. This human is a jerk. That's one way to go down the stairs. Give me your feet. Is this bed an ice rink? Rolling around gone wrong. Cat tells human to stop laughing. Eye for effort. Which one of these next four cats has the worst hops? Let me know down below. Stevie Wonder Cat. Trashy Kitty. What do you think happens next? A. The cat jumps scared off the bed. B. The cat in the bag jumps out and attacks him. Or C. The cat on the left smacks the cat in the bag. Let me know your answer now so I know you're not cheating. Let's see. Let me know if you were right. Mama Cat said, get your behind in that box. Here's another sequence of cats with no jumping ability whatsoever. Did you know bread is itchy? Free fallen. Attacking your sibling gone wrong. Outsmarted. Jigsaw setting cat traps now? We all know how this will end. I'm taking you down with me. I guess dogs can't jump either. The cat had a stare down with whatever they were hissing at. Oh no! Clinging on the mattress gone wrong. Ice rink kitchen counter. Most unique ball chase ever. Whoever invented that toy is a jerk. Confusing toy.
Huh?
This cat is boxed up. Gotta plant yourself better than that. Oh, ouch! Cats when they hear Kendrick Lamar. Too fast for its own good. No jumps. A cat and a dog go for a swim. That's one way to make your cat buzz off. Introducing the no walk device. First Jigsaw, now a Looney Tunes trap on the kitty. Stringing together a spill. 2-inch vertical kitty. Now this is a determined kitty. Slippery. Cat doesn't stick the landing. I'm sure you know what's coming next. What's this dog's beef? Not very smart to do in the rain. Valiant effort, kitty. Shocking wake up. Tough predicament for kitty here. Chasing tail with a hard-hitting ending. The Lord wasn't letting this cat steal any food today. Real life Garfield. Pop goes the kitty.
Huh?
Sign this cat to WWE. Peekaboo kitty. Very poor escape plan. It was definitely the wet ground. Kitty goes for a dip. Cat with no hops versus cat with hops. Click a video on the screen if you love cats.